Celebrate Nurses Week. Some local nurses are offering an inside look into what day-to-day life looks like during a pandemic.
It's an intense time, but as Erica Cost reports, some nurses at Rochester Regional Health are finding creative ways to support one another.
Nursing is a team sport, but nobody ever imagined how much so it would be until what we've gone through in the last 14 months.
Judy Cushman is nursing program manager for Rochester Regional Health. She says the life of a nurse changed completely the minute the pandemic hit. Battling multiple surges is traumatic for some. Oftentimes, patients are also unable to see family members due to restrictions, causing nurses to step up in ways they never expected.
But they also became these individuals' family members. They became their mothers, their fathers, their brothers, their spouses.
And playing so many roles at once takes a huge emotional toll. Cushman says they needed a place to sit down and talk about it any time of the day. That's when she started a Zoom support group for nurses back in March.
It was very obvious that there was something needed.
Classic ideas like journaling, eating well, and exercising weren't cutting it. Cushman researched beyond these options and found what nurses needed the most was each other, to hear what other nurses were going through. These Zoom support sessions aimed to do just that at any time of the day. Elizabeth Duxbury, one of the nurses, says banding together like this built a sense of strength.
We feel very alone, but we're all in it together. And by doing these sessions, it helps the nurses to really feel like they're in it together.
And only talk when you're ready.
Asking that permission. Do you want to talk about it? Do you want me to talk about it?
Reporting, Erica Cost, News 8.
Right, Erica, thank you. And those nurses say if you have someone in your life who's a nurse, check in and ask how you can help.